Today we'll talk about how can you disable raise to listen on your Slack app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on preferences, just click on it here. When you just click on preferences, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, then come here to raise to listen here. So you just click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone here. That's me raise to listen disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.